Okay, so this video is about how you can get lighter skin. But I do want to make a disclaimer at the start here is that if you are doing this just to get lighter skin because people are being racist to you, or you have like any whatever of like racism is the reason why you're doing this, like don't do it then. Don't do this just because people are being shitty to you because of your skin color or because of how dark your skin is. Like, it's just stupid to do that, Like, don't listen to the idiots. Don't let them control you. They're sad and miserable. You shouldn't be sad and miserable just because other people are sad and miserable. So, just a disclaimer and whatever there. Don't be doing it just because of that. This, I guess, also just because, I wanted to make this video because a lot of goths will have light skin or like be super pale. Obviously, anyone can be goth and whatever, like, anyone of any race, any skin tone can be goth. Like, you don't have to be super pale to be goth, obviously. But, like, usually goths will have, like, lighter whatever and, like, do makeup and stuff to be, like, as white as a ghost or a sheet or whatever. But like again, don't do it just because of racism, okay? Just a disclaimer there, because that's shitty. Don't do that to yourself. So yeah, anyways, let's go with the first one here, and this is like, preventative sun care. So like, lotion, like I guess there's, I was gonna say lotion, but I mean, I guess some lotions could have some kind of like sun protection stuff, probably. But I was gonna say sunscreen like that will, block the sun from getting you and like tanning you and doing all that and stuff. So that's one thing. Also, if you get lotion that was it pH level, I think it's called. If it has a higher number, then it protects more. Like if it's a 30 and then there's a bottle right next to it that says like 15, then you should go with the 30 one so it protects you more and doesn't tan you more, and it just has that extra bit of it to like block out the sun. So, I'm sure you can go to like literally any store and like around summertime and then like just get a bottle of sunscreen and just like apply it whenever you're going outside, and then you'll be fine. And then hopefully you won't get tan at all. And try to apply evenly because you might miss a spot and end up having weird tan lines. And you don't want that, so make sure you apply it evenly. Also, some sunscreens require you to like wait a few minutes before like going outside or going into like pools and stuff, and or into like the water at a beach or something. Like it's like, oh hey, sit for like 10 minutes before you go into water because the water might wash it off and whatever. You gotta let it sit and soak into your skin before doing anything really. So yeah, I'm sure there's so many other things that you could do for like protecting your skin from the sun, but that's one thing that you can whatever for not tanning. Um, and then the next one is exfoliate your skin. This is like a scrub thing that you can do to like pull off dead skin and stuff, because like dead skin is gonna be a little darker than the skin underneath, so you gotta can like rub it off, and like you can buy some or you can just like you can even make some at home, like if you have like sugar, honey, lemon, whatever, like you could just put it on there and then like go in the shower or something to wash it off, because that's like the entire point of these is that you rub it on whatever area or you rub it all over your skin and then you go in like the shower to like rub it off or wash it off, because like there's still gonna be like this sticky leftover that you have, and then you're gonna have to wash it off. So yeah, that's kind of like the entire point of those things. They're like this weird jelly type of stuff usually, and then you kind of like rub it all over and then go in the shower and whatever. And then it washes off, and then you can take like a whole ass shower after you do that. And then the next one is skin lightening products, which I guess I'm kind of like, should I really put this in the video? Because it's like, usually people use these because of people being racist to them, and then they just like go and use these skin lightening products to like, not appear as darker, but it's like, racist will always be racist. It doesn't matter if you are super dark or like somewhat dark or whatever, they're always going to be racist. And even if you're like, if you had like a picture that was in black and white of you, and like a racist person is still gonna know and they're still gonna be racist, okay? So like just don't do this just because of racism. Like, you should love how you look no matter what, I guess. Like, you can't really control it or completely change it. So many people have tried to change how they look, and you can just see, like, it didn't go so well for them, and it's just like a bunch of people would get like plastic surgery and then they just end up looking horrible. And like the before picture, like they don't even look horrible, and then like the after picture of like, plastic surgery and stuff, and they got like a shit ton of plastic surgery, and then it's just like they end up not looking so great. So, you know, don't do it just because of racist idiots. Those people are sad and stupid. Don't be sad and stupid with them. Okay? So, yeah, there are skin lightening products that's more, I guess, I don't know. I guess it's more of like an easy way to do it, but at the same time, like, I'm kind of just like, should I really add this part to the video? I don't know. But it's a thing, I guess. It's an option, I guess, if you want a more permanent whatever. I don't know. But yeah, anyways, the next one is this really weird whatever. I don't even know if I can say this word because it's like a very long word. But this one is to I guess get rid of skin that's like uneven or whatever. So it's like, if your skin like tone is like uneven, or like you have weird spots that are like, I guess it's like dead skin buildup in one spot. I guess you could do something like this or something, but I feel like the body scrub would be better for dead skin buildup type of thing. So, you know, but like this is a thing that you can do, I guess, to like get rid of certain spots. And like, sometimes a scar will be like slightly lighter or darker depending on the scar. And then you can just do this to make it like not so noticeable of a difference. This is, I guess, more of like um, for that kind of thing. But yeah, I guess that's kind of what that is. I don't know exactly, but yeah, the next one is also something that I'm kind of just like, should I add this to the video? Because like it's laser therapy, and this is more like, I feel like not everyone's gonna be able to like afford this because this is more of like a surgery type of thing, I guess, or at least that's what it sounds like. I don't know exactly for this whole thing. This is just like, I don't know. But like you're also gonna have to sit and like recover after this too. So it's kind of just like I don't know. Like also it just like laser therapy sounds like something that you shouldn't do. Like I don't know, something about it just doesn't sound right. So I'm kind of just like, should I add this to the video? I don't know. But it's a thing, I guess. So, I mean, people do it for tattoos all the time. Like, if they want to remove a tattoo, they do the laser thing. So, laser removal. And then there's also laser hair removal that a lot of people do. So, like, I don't know. Like if you have like a weird hair spot that you want to get rid of, then they do the laser hair removal. So I don't know. Maybe it's not that horrible of a thing, but just like laser therapy just sounds a little weird. So I'm kind of just like, I don't know. But it's an option, I guess. If you have the money and the time to do that, then I guess it's there. It's an option. So, I guess whatever. And then the next one is like different food, I guess, has different things in it that you can try eating different food to make your skin lighter or darker if you wanted to. So I guess depending on what you eat, then that also kind of like it sounds a little like bullshit to me, but at the same time, I don't know. You do absorb the energy and the nutrients from food, so I guess it's not that far like removed from reality. I don't know, but I for the food part, I'm kind of just like eat whatever you want. Like you're only gonna be here for so long, so like just enjoy the food that you want to eat, okay? Like I don't know if you should really just eat certain food just to get lighter skin, 'cause you should just eat food that you like kind of thing. Obviously, some people might have like health problems and then they need to be on a certain diet. Like if you have like, I don't know, diabetes, for example, then you can only eat certain food, but still kind of just like, even if you're on diabetes and you have to have a certain diet there, you can still enjoy the certain foods that you want to enjoy within that range, right? So, like, you know, obviously, if you have a food allergy too, that's also another thing. But it's still like within that limit, you can still enjoy whatever food you want, right? So just don't do it that'll harm you or someone else, that kind of thing. Like eat whatever you want as long as it doesn't harm you or anyone else, That's kind of like the whole thing there. So, I don't know. But I guess it's also an option that you can do to get lighter skin or darker skin if you wanted to. So, I'm just adding it here just because it's an option, okay? But yeah, the next one is you could just use makeup. And this is, simple, whatever, easy way to do it. If you wanted to have lighter skin for only a few hours and not go through all this like skincare products and all that and food and everything, then you could just put on some like foundation that's like a shade or two lighter than your normal skin tone. So, there's that too. A lot of goth people will just use makeup because it's easy. So, and it's like a lot of goth people also just like wear makeup anyways. So it's like, why not also add this other thing too? So there's that too. But yeah, if you only wanted lighter skin for like a few hours or something, then you could just do the makeup thing and you don't have to do all this running around trying to figure out whatever like products to use because I mean, like makeup also has it where it's like different products that you have to figure out what to use, but I feel like with makeup it's a little bit easier to manage than some other stuff because I don't know, it seems like it would be a bit easier to just do makeup and not do all the other things like soaps and stuff. So, but yeah, that's all I have for this video. I guess if you guys have anything else that works for you, then put it down below in the comments. And yeah, so anyways, I guess that's it for this video. So bye.